Jumpstart is a unique approach to earthquake insurance in California. We pay a lump sum immediately after a large earthquake, and we have a unique product just for homeowners associations. So if you're an HOA, you've come to the right place. When you live in a condo with an HOA where there's shared spaces, your fate after an earthquake is intertwined with the outcomes of your neighbors and your co-residents. That's one of the reasons why HOAs and condo owners are particularly interested in how can we protect our common fate? How can we insure against this financial liability that we're all responsible for? Jumpstart is very different from conventional earthquake insurance. As a parametric product, Jumpstart pays a lump sum with no deductible, and the claims process is completely automated. So you have the certainty of knowing exactly how much money you get, and you'll get it right away. As opposed to conventional earthquake insurance is a total loss policy, but usually it has a very substantial deductible. Jumpstart and conventional insurance are completely independent standalone products. Even if you buy the regular conventional insurance, you can still buy Jumpstart. And of course, you can buy Jumpstart if you happen to decline the conventional insurance. If you already have the conventional insurance, Jumpstart can be used to pay for the deductible before that policy starts paying it. And importantly, there's no overlap in coverage, which means that any proceeds that you receive from Jumpstart does not subtract the amount of money that you're eligible to receive from your conventional insurance. The specific policy terms of a Jumpstart HOA policy are customized to each HOA. But in general, it's a per unit payout times the number of units that are in your HOA. So for example, if you decide on $5,000 per unit and there are, let's just say, 20 units, then you would receive $100,000 immediately after the earthquake. The policy is held by the HOA itself, and so it's the HOA who determines how to use the money. Money from your Jumpstart payout can be used by the HOA to pay for any extra expense caused by the earthquake. This could include damage to common spaces or landscaping. It could include immediate protective measures to take care of security measures. It could include disbursements to individual unit owners who experience damage. But best of all, it means that you can avoid assessments to the unit owners and prevent drawing down the reserves. As you're going through the process of figuring out which insurance is right for you, you're obviously going to have questions about your building and what's most likely to happen to your building. So to help that decision process, we can offer a structural engineering evaluation report as part of your decision-making process. And that report will emphasize what are the good and more vulnerable features of your building so that you can have a better idea of how much coverage to buy.